Hello everyone again, this is Brian or GamerMaster01 coming right back at you with another video. It's actually a bonus video. What the fudge is that? Okay. I'm only playing this because the piano teacher one didn't work without the keyboard attached to it. And there's no player that will play that. So, that was kind of a bust. But I tried it. Now we're going to do the, what Thompson likes to call the nauseous, vomiting-inducing game that's Mohawk and Headphone Jack. And he looks really built and really gay at the same time. So let's see how this works out. So you can jump and you can leap. You can spike, you can explode. And there's codes. Let's do it. The hell? Hi. So there's a jump. There's a leap. Might as well just jump because jump is higher. Trying a spiky ball thing. I can explode. What the hell is going on here? What the fuck am I playing? The hell is going on here? Whoa! Okay, I don't know what the point of this game is. I'm just gonna keep collecting CDs. Everything's so colorful. Okay, come on. Oh, it's Sonic the Hedgehog! Ah, come on! Oh, there's different music too! In case you ever wanted to experience what hell is like, this is what hell is like. It's got an awesome soundtrack. Oh my god. Alright, time for Sonic the Hedgehog. Can I get on that? Nope. How do I get up there? That's to explode. There we go. Maybe I had to get to 100 CDs. Alright, now I'm back at the beginning. Oh, wait. Aha! Wait. What'd that do? Change the music? I guess the other music wasn't pleasant enough. Here's new music. What the hell is the point of this game? I don't even know. Oh. What the fuck is going on here? What is going on? Alright, well. Yeah, there's things that look like you should be able to jump on them, but you can't. Wait, what? Wait, whoa! Whoa! What the hell just happened? Our world's getting flip-flopped upside down. I feel like I'm Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Okay, maybe this is the right way to go? Oh, whoa! Stop changing camera angles! Ah! I don't know where I'm supposed to go or what I'm supposed to do in this game. That's one of the fun things about never playing the game before recording it. You just don't know what the hell you're gonna expect. So this is what happens, kids, if you do a lot of drugs. Stay away from drugs. Where's that wheel at? There's a giant CD in the middle of that wheel. Maybe now I can get it because I have enough CDs. There we go. I see you. How do I get to you? Stop turning the camera angle. Just jump straight. Oh my god. Alright, well, I guess that's not it. This is not for the faint of heart. If you do get motion sick quick, I advise you to stop watching this video if you haven't already done so. This can get people really fucking sick. Oh, wait. Yeah! Well, who's this evil looking dude in the bottom left? Oh yay, more! What the hell? There's no way to tell when the camera's gonna change. It literally just changes when it wants to. It's kind of annoying, actually. What's the point of getting the wheels? It's the same thing as running. Oh, that's a good chunk of CDs. Ow. I'm so glad I can change the music track in this game. Oh, I got X. Don't know what that means. Ugh. Hey, I fucking rolled into you guys. Okay, I got enough CDs. I just need to find the blue portal of death. Gotta be careful though. One enemy can probably kill me. Ah, come on! You can't even like time your jumps in this where you're like, oh, I'm gonna see. Look, what the hell is that? Oh, come on! It's not the right way to go. Seemed good enough to me. Wait, what? Dude, what the hell is going on? I can't map this out in my head because of how much it turns. I can't map this out at all. Once I keep heading right, maybe eventually I'll hit something. Oh, I mean down, I mean. Wait, now I'm back here. God damn it. What the hell is going on? How could anyone possibly like this game? Oh, what the? Stop! What the? Okay, I have plenty of CDs. That's fine. I don't need any more. What the hell? As exciting as that was. Oh, there's a boss! Oh, come on! Ah! Alright, I'm getting a headache, guys, from playing this game. Well, anyways, this is the second bonus game I played today. This is Mohawk and Headphone Jack. And there you go. Alright, well, everyone, thank you for voting. This is Game of Master 01. I'm out of here, y'all.